Wow! Hey, what's up? A couple months ago, I gave myself the world's ugliest tattoos. What are we doing today? Fixing those tattoos. Let's go. Exhibit A. Like, what is that? What is that? It's a plant pot in a hay. What? If you don't know, I make videos sometimes.
Wow, what a surprise.
Now, if you haven't watched my skateboarding video, you definitely should. Just saying. You should watch all my videos because in them, I do a lot of things. I cut my hair. You should watch my cutting bang videos. There's a naked butt in the top corner. I know it's my painting because I paint. Also, this one's important. Please like, subscribe, comment on the video. A couple months ago, I gave myself the world's ugliest tattoos. I will admit, they were pretty bad. They still are. They're very ugly. So being the genius that I am, I tried to peel my tattoos off after they started scabbing. I thought maybe they would disappear if I just peeled them off. But no, they just became light, faded outlines of what was there, but is no more. I don't want a crusty leg. I want a funky leg. I can't live my life with hay and French fry box on my leg. I'm going to go to my friend's house and he's gonna give me these tattoos. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, I thought you were gonna fix your tattoo, not get your friend to make them even worse. But don't worry. Whoop, whoop, whoop. He's good. He's pretty good. I got a special power. So I got in the car. I drove on over to his house.
8 hours later.
So right now I'm gonna drive over to my friend's house, fix me tattoo.
And then he smashed his finger in the car door. So unfortunately, there's no tattooing right now. But I mean, I guess for you guys it's gonna be the next clip anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Now I'm gonna actually show you guys how to use transfer paper. It's more so because I just want to do it because I don't know, like, let's go. Beat it up, can we just take a few minutes to acknowledge how nice this background is? We made it this week. Ringy bars up. So yeah, thanks best dressed. After looking at a billion, trillion, million Pinterest photos of tattoos, I found two that I kind of liked. So I love the Chinese clouds, I think it's called. Also, on my leg, I put this very hideous plant pot. It was so ugly. I thought it looked like a plant, but it didn't. So Andy's gonna go over this and make it look much better. But first, I'm going to draw my design on another piece of paper. I'm gonna try it here. And I'm just gonna stick this. Okay, so that's looking big. I'm not sure if I want it there or if I want it like up more. Or do I want it like up a little bit higher, like right here? Not sure if I can reuse transfer paper, but I'm gonna try. Honestly, as a kid, this would have been even cooler than like buying a tattoo. Like a fake tattoo, you know? Oh, cool, I like it up there. Outfit of the day. So this is the part where I actually go and get a tattoo. Let's go. 2.5 minutes till I get the tattoos. Nah, that's good. What is that? Isn't that bad?
Like this is fun.
What?
Okay, let's see.
Yay! Alright everybody, tattoos is done. Planets, my favorite is this. And now we are off to hit the skate parks. Hi baby, what's up baby? Today's like the perfect nice mellow weather to get a painting done. And I'm really feeling that today. Okay, so it's the next day. They have done their thing. Okay, I wrapped them up. I washed them with unscented soap. I put Vaseline on when I'm done so they don't get dried out and crack. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you what these look like. This one's my favorite. It's looking pretty fine and dandy. This one was a little cover up. Here is my planets. And this one was a little cover up too, of course. It's better than what was there before, okay? The thing is, I don't know if these are gonna look like good in the end because we're not professional here. We don't know much about tattooing in reality. And if they look bad, honestly, I'm fine with it. I can just go to a tattoo shop and get them covered up. So I don't really, it's fine. It's my arm. Dad? Just a quick update. So it's been 3 days. I actually think that I'm gonna do my leg in another video. So I'm gonna upload this video because it's getting a little bit long, and then you guys should subscribe. You guys should subscribe so that you can see the next video and turn on post notifications because it'll be up soon, and you'll finally be able to see my hideous leg tattoos getting fixed. I'm kind of digging the zigzag. No hate towards it. I think I'm gonna put some things over it. Stay tuned. Subscribe and watch my next video in order to see that.